everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem Debenhams gift card online. So simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser of your choice, and in the web address bar, type in www.debenhams.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Debenhams, which looks like this. Debenhams is a British online retail brand owned by the online retailer Boohoo. You can easily redeem your gift card while making a purchase and checking out of Debenhams.com online. Simply log into your account first if you are not, and once you're logged into your account, go ahead and pick a product by choosing from the categories at the top of the screen. Select any item that you'd like to purchase. After everything looks good, click on Add to Basket. Soon after you do that, the item will be added on your basket. Click on Check Out, and on the next page, review your purchase. If you've got any kind of a promo code, you can simply type it in here and click on Apply. If you don't, you can just skip the step and click on Check Out. Now, once you end up in this page, enter your promo code or your gift code number into the text box at the top of the screen and click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card for Debenhams.com. Simply follow the on-screen prompts on the next page, and that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.